Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen today. This is Meso. I'm so glad that you came. I was expecting you. Today we're going to be making something that is good. It's going to be quick, simple, and delicious, baby. And we are going to get started right now. Let's see what it is. So we're going to be making funnel cakes today. Let's see what it takes to make this happen. So we got very few ingredients here. An egg, some milk, some flour, some salt, and some sugar. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm putting in my flour. I'm using plain flour, all-purpose flour, and I'm putting in sugar, a little bit of baking soda, a little baking powder, a little bit of salt, and one egg. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do something that I asked you guys not to do. I'm just gonna break it right into this bowl. And then I have here a cup of milk. You can use any kind of milk. In my case, I am using almond milk. And then I'm gonna go ahead and begin to whisk. Yeah, this is a great day for us. These funnel cakes, we don't have them very often, but when we do, oh my, we love them. I'm putting in a little bit of allspice. They're so good. And you don't have to wait until you go to a carnival or somewhere like that. You can just make them right at home. Your kids, your family will love you for it. You're going to put in some vanilla flavoring. And they're very easy to make. You're going to see they're not hard to make at all. Now I've got this funnel cake pourer. And you see the size of the opening. I like it because it pours out really good. Now, if you want to, you could use a bowl like this with a lip on it. You can also use something like this mustard container, but the nozzle is so small. You see how little it is? So it makes the batter coming out to be a little more stringy than I want. Here's the fruit that I used. And so this is just a medley of frozen fruit, and I'm gonna make a little compote out of that and put it on top of the funnel cake. So you see that my the picture that I'm using, yeah, I really like this one because then you can just get your funnel cake batter all down your pan. I'm using a pan that is about the size that I want for my funnel cakes. So I don't have to worry about it. It's going to keep its roundness and it's going to be about the size that I want. Don't have to worry about anything there. It makes it a little bit more carefree to do that. I've got some regular vegetable oil in here. You can use coconut oil, any kind of oil, corn oil, any kind of oil you want to use. You just wouldn't use anything heavy and with a strong flavor like olive oil. It doesn't take very long to cook these. This is going to cook on the first side maybe 3 minutes. Maybe 3 minutes. And then you're going to turn it over, and on that second side it's going to take even less. It may be like 2 minutes on that second side. It's really already brown, but I'm going to let it get just a little bit more brown, and then I am going to turn it over. Ooh, right now. It looks so good. Smells even better, honey. And it's already done. It's just that quick. Oh, I'm excited. I can just barely wait. So it's not ready. I'm just going to kind of looking at the bottom to see, is it brown yet? It's not completely ready. But you got to stay here with these too because it goes really fast, the cooking. You want this on like a medium high. And you want to get them in and get them right out. When you take them out, you can put them on a rack if you'd like, or just put them on a paper towel. Oh, as I said, I wish you could smell these. These are so great. I've loved these from the time I was a kid. And I never got enough of them when I was a kid. But you know, anything that you can buy, you can also make it. Yeah, you just got to get a recipe for it and get brave enough to get in that kitchen and try it. Your kids and your family, your loved ones, they'll like the ones that you made for them much better anyway. It'll be special to them. Oh, this is looking good. I got my little skewer here, and I can see that it's brown enough on that side. And I turned it over and it's brown on that side. Now, while it's still hot, and this is important, while it's still hot, I want to go ahead and get my powdered sugar down over it so that it just adheres to it better than if you wait. You know, and who wants a cold funnel cake? You want to eat it when it's hot. That's its optimum. Okay, so this is the fruit that I was showing you, the medley. It's got some mango in there and some strawberries and some peaches, and it's just a good little fruit medley. And I heated it up, put a little bit of sugar in it, made it like a syrup. Now I'm gonna go ahead and taste this because there's no need of me wait until I cook the others. I'm going to go ahead and taste my phone cake, and they can get theirs in just a minute. But let me just taste this while it's hot and while it's so fresh and so good. It is so crispy. Wish you guys could hear it. It is what I like. It's soft in the middle, but it is crispy on the outside of this great funnel cake. Come to me, come to mama. Oh yeah, look how beautiful it is, y'all. Special treat, special treat. You know, this is good. You can use this in the morning for a breakfast. This can be a great snack for your kids. So good, so good. Oh, I'm so glad that I did this today. Look at that. Look at that. Crunchy, sweet goodness. Nothing like a funnel cake. I'm going to go ahead now, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to make theirs. I'll just let you see me make one more. Okay, so I got that in, and you see how very quickly, and even though this is speeded up a little bit, but very quickly does it begin to brown, and you just take you something, I'm using this little skewer, so that you can watch the other side to make sure that it doesn't get too brown. Now, I probably do like my stuff a little bit more brown than a lot of people, but this is the way I love mine. What can I say? Oh, I think it's gorgeous. And then you just check the other side. And it won't be but a few minutes until that side is browned perfectly also. Look at this, guys, you can do this. And do this as a special treat one Saturday morning for your family, or do it on Christmas morning early, and then they'll hold them over until dinner. Oh yeah, that piece is stuck under there. Let me get it out. So, oh yeah, Now it's looking like I want it to look. Do this, get all those hugs and kisses and let them rave over you for a little while. Make this for your family. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and you can do it. Let's get this out. Right onto a paper towel. Okay, come and get it. I'm going to let them have their choice of sugar or whatever they want to put on top of this. I want to thank you guys for coming by, checking on me today. You wanted to see what I was doing. Now, you knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. I thank you for those of you that are subscribed to me, and those that are not, please subscribe and hit that red subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell until parentheses come around it, and that way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a thumbs up. That's really important, and I would appreciate it if you all would leave me some comments. I love reading them. I read each and every one of them. I cannot answer back to all of them, but I do read them. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Check me out over there if you would. I'd appreciate it. Guys, I thank you for spending just some of your time with me. There are tons of people on YouTube that cook that you could be watching, but when you spend a little time watching my videos, I really do appreciate you. I want to tell you, love yourself, honey. That way you'll be able to love somebody else. And you know what? Show your love by sharing your food. Yeah, that's right. Share your food with somebody. Hey, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.